Putin's warning to Europe and strategic India visit explained. In early December, global attention shifted as Vladimir Putin issued a strong warning to Europe after failed Ukraine peace talks with US envoys, then immediately flew to India to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This video explains what really happened, why the Ukraine war talks collapsed, what Putin meant by his threats, and how India fits into Russia's long-term strategy involving defense, energy, and the future of BRICS. What happened in the peace talks? On December 2 and 3, US representatives met Putin in Russia to talk about ending the Ukraine war. The goal was simple: can both sides agree to stop the fighting? But it didn't work. Russia said, "We are winning. We will not give up our position." The US said, "You must change your demands." Nobody agreed. So the talks failed. Putin's warning to Europe. After the talks, Putin made a strong statement. He said Europe keeps sending weapons to Ukraine and still talks about peace. Then he warned, if Europe wants war, Russia is ready. This was a warning, not a motion. Russia wants Europe to feel pressure and fear of a long war. Russia also blamed NATO for moving closer to its borders. Why Putin came to India? Just one day later, Putin arrived in India. This visit was planned carefully. India is very important because it is friendly with Russia and also has good relations with Western countries. Putin met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to talk about three things: defense, energy. Defense talks. India uses many Russian weapons. One major system is the powerful S-400 missile system. Even when the US opposed this deal, India went ahead. During this visit, both countries discussed upgrades and future defense cooperation. This shows strong trust between India and Russia. Energy cooperation. Energy was another big topic. India buys oil from Russia at low prices. This helps India reduce fuel costs. Russia gets money despite Western sanctions. So both sides benefit. They also discussed long-term oil, gas, and nuclear energy projects. BRICS and global power. The leaders also talked about BRICS. BRICS wants to reduce dependence on the US dollar and create a balance to Western power. More countries are joining BRICS. Russia supports this strongly. India supports it carefully. India's position. India is not supporting war. India is not choosing sides. India talks to Russia. India talks to the US. India chooses what is best for itself. This is called strategic balance. Part 8. What it means for the world. The message is clear. The Ukraine war will continue for now. Europe is under pressure. Russia is building partnerships outside the West. India is becoming more important globally. Putin's warning and his India visit are connected. Russia wants support and stability. India wants peace and national interest. The world is changing, and India is standing strong and smart in the middle of it. That's the simple story, without confusion.